Hello, my friends. It's Miss Becky, and the sun is shining. I'm starting to get the urge to garden, so we're going to try to plant some seeds and get them to sprout in the house while warmer days are on the way so we can transfer them out into the garden. So we have this in-house greenhouse. We're going to fill the containers that almost look like egg cartons. So a reusable egg carton of cardboard ways would work. We're going to fill them halfway with soil. This is taking a while, I apologize, but we're going to have to go grab another container of soil. Notice you do not need to have glove hands to do this. You can do it with your bare hands. Feeling the dirt on your hands is a nice feeling. We're just going to sprinkle more dirt in those holes. All right, so let's start with the beans because they're on top. We're supposed to plant 2 beans if we were doing it outside, about 4 inches apart. But we'll put 2 beans in each one of the holes. All right, next we're going to do some summer squash, which is also 1 to 2 seeds in container number 2. We'll actually see how they sprout. So once we get these all planted, we will put the cover on and we'll put more dirt on it, water, and put the cover on and put them in a window inside the house. The cantaloupe, I don't know is how many seeds it is. Hold on. The cantaloupe is 4 to 6 seeds. Now we also have to remember which seeds we planted in which hole. Again, you could try this at home. I am using expired seeds because that's what I had. Well, not all of them are expired, but some of them are expired. And some of them might sprout, some of them might not, but we're going to give it a try. All right. Winter squash has 1 to 2 seeds. It's important to read the planting instructions of the seeds because each plant you need a different amount of seeds to see how they sprout.
2?
2. 1 to 2. All right, Mr. Kwan, 5 cucumber seeds in a Need more in that last one.
Okay.
All right, so, but we all know that seeds need soil to grow, so we actually need to put soil on top of all of these seeds. So we're gonna go grab some more soil that we can sprinkle on top of these guys. It'll be an experiment. We'll see how they actually do inside my house. This soil looks really dry, so we're going to have to make sure we water them. Again, you can plant seeds starting inside and then move them outside when we're past our chances of freezing. I actually did plant some stuff outside in the garden today. I did plant some peas and carrots and radishes and beans just because I had the urge. Growing our own food is sometimes fun. You get to see what you grew and then you get to taste it. I think you're going to need more soil, one more thing. The good thing is if they do sprout like this, we can break them apart and actually plant them in the biodegradable cardboard containers that they are in. So they have the soil that they need. Hopefully they'll get the sun from the window inside my house. But we do have to give them some water. So Mr. Kwan, can you go to the rain barrel? We actually collect rainwater here. It helps save on the water bill and helps save reusable water. We'll put some water in the watering can from the rain barrel, which is just... Nope, Kwan put water in the watering can from the rain barrel. So we're just recycling some rainwater that we've collected from last night. It did rain. That's probably all we need, Mr. Kwan. So we'll come back. And we'll just give them a little bit of water. Let them soak up the water. It'll drain out to the bottom. Our soil was a little drier than it should have been. It take a little bit to soak in. All right, so what's going to happen now is I'm actually going to label these guys and put them in my window, and we'll check on them next Thursday from my window and see if anything's growing. So let's try to grow some of our own vegetables at home. You can take any seeds you have. You could even dry seeds from fruit or vegetables that you have and see what you can grow. But we'll check in on them next week and see if anything sprouted. See you later. Bye.